Okay, so we have to understand piecewise function in this part. Means in definite integration, how we will handle piecewise function. So you know that piecewise function is something which has different type of definition in different rooms. So suppose that we have uh, this definition when x belongs to a to b, and we have this definition when x belongs to b to c. Okay, and we have to calculate integration of f of x with respect to d of x from a to c. So how will you manipulate this situation? You will understand here. First you have to do what? You have to break this question into so many multiple questions. So in first question you will solve, means you will try to find out the area from a to b, and you will be using the definition f1x dx plus integration from b to c f2x dx. Okay, so this idea you will be using. So when you can understand that, you have to go with this property. So the point is, look, if they will give you piecewise function, means if they will give you definitions, you can directly conclude that in this room we have to follow this definition, in that room we have to follow this definition. But suppose it is not being mentioned, then how will you respond? So do you remember greatest integer function? Greatest integer function is a piecewise function, correct? Because in certain room it behaves differently. So if you will witness greatest integer function, you have to understand that you have to apply this property in this question. Also, if they will give you fractional part function, then you have to respond again accordingly. Okay, break your question into sub questions and then respond accordingly. Also, you know that sometimes this modulus function is also having some problem in some different rooms. So if you will be handling modulus functions as well, then also you have to conclude that you have to apply piecewise function over here. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. When we guys will be solving some illustrations, you can develop better understanding about the concept. Okay,